What's going on YouTube? It's your guy, Top Down Kicks. I got a pair of these retro Air Jordan 9s called the Gym Red. Came out in 2019. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. Let's get them cleaned up, wash, and get ready for icing. Here is the results from scrubbing, washing. I also put these bad boys in the washer. I did a lot of scrubbing there, and they came out pretty good, but the only problem was there was bleeding on the thread on the upper still. A little bit, you can't really tell as much, but we need to focus on these bottoms. We need to ice, do a lot of icing, more sessions on that, and let go. We're gonna need plastic, razor, shoe sauce, or brush, and just dab away. And if you made it this far, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you have not. Any questions, drop a comment down below, and I'll be gladly to help you. Here is the results from icing for like a whole entire day. You can't really tell much of a difference, but if you go back from the beginning till now, I also show more of the before and after towards the end of the video if you want to skip over then. But for now, we're going to be focusing on this area, which is the thread that was bleeding. And I show in this part that you can use white acrylic paint with water, and that should take care of the issue there. Once again, any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll be glad to help you. But this is it. Stay blessed. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.